Hi, in this video I'm going to show you the platform where teachers upload their grades. They upload their grades in the webpage of eldominico.edu.do. They go to My Access or Mi Acceso if it's in Spanish. Here they must select Profesor, and in the language code in the virtual class, students from different extensions are there. Based on their matricula, the second number tells you which extension they belong to. So you select Sede, and here you write down the username of the teacher. This could happen maybe when students write to you that they're missing a grade, and you could add it yourself without the teacher having to do it. So you write down the teacher's ID, notaedi, at notaedi.edu.do. The standard password is Dominico. Then after you've accessed, you select juniors, adults, and then here you select the period 2021-3, and here you select the course that you're going to add the grade to, say this one. And select the partial, you click Buscar, and then here all the grades are assigned out of 100. So you look for the one that's missing, you go to the virtual classroom, you go to the course that you're looking for the grades, you go to this course, grades, and look for the corresponding column that has to have the grade assigned out of 100. So after you do that, then you just simply add it here in the corresponding space, and you click Guardar Cambio. This should change the total of the total grade for that student. Okay, so that's basically how you would check grades or modify any grades that students write to you that's incorrect, or that teacher tells you that it's not working. I hope this video has been useful.